if you get a hole in your tire like I have on this tire right here, and you got to plug it, a plug here, you're still going to want to seal it with some rubber cement. And this is made for tires and tubes repair. So that's what we're going to use it for. It does come with some sandpaper and stuff like that, everything you need to really get your job done correctly. Now, I have a hole down in this tire. You can probably see right there as something came through. I've cleaned the hole already. Now I'm just going to prep it for the patch. I'm going to end up pulling this patch through the hole. And this comes with adhesive on this back side, but I never trust that. That's why you always want to use the cement to seal everything up. When you push this down in there, it's going to fill that hole in and really seal it up good. All right, so you can see I got the plug down through there, and I got it all, the glue, adhesive, rubber cement all around it, so that should seal up pretty good, and we'll be ready to go. Now, these guys are nice enough to send this out to me and do a review on it. I've used the rubber cement for tires before, and always had great luck. In fact, you really just don't want to plug a tire without using this if you're going to do it properly, using some sort of cement. Now, this seems to work fine, and I've been happy with it so far. And hopefully this short video explains to you a little bit about what this is and how you can use it to repair a tire.